Ooh, ah, wow. Ooh. I don't know. Okay, so first up, the shorts. I actually love them. They did turn out, they're not black, but they're like a dark charcoal color, which is good enough for me. Unfortunately, that it kind of exposed some gray paint stains I hadn't noticed from when I dyed from when I painted a bedroom a few years back. But other than that, I really like this contrast thread. It's a win for me. And then this one also had a cool thread. The threading was also that same bright Lego blue. This one, obviously, anything didn't turn black black. This is the closest thing I got to a win, but I mean, they're still better. They're still more wearable. I might do a second dye bath for some of these. Like actually try to go for black black. Maybe see if more dye will work, but we'll see. Um, then we have this old leotard. Used to belong to my mother. Authentic vintage. It was way too bright red, like kind of like the Lego red color. It's way too primary. Just ugh, it screamed like Christmas or Minnie Mouse. And now it's like a cool vampy color. It looks much better on my skin. Much better. Um, yeah, all three of the bright reds all turned into just cool vampy reds. This sweater, before it looked like a Christmas sweater and nothing else. And now I could wear this any time of the year. I love this sweater so much. I have it in gray as well. There are some spots close up. I may do a re-dye for this guy, but we'll see. I don't know. I kind of like it. They're really hard to notice, and overall I think it looks good. So then just a t-shirt dress. I also might double dip this one, but again, for now it's miles better than what it used to be. You can see the lining got like a charcoaly gray color. That used to be a white stripe through here. Oh my god, these last two are both total fails. Yeah, the buttons and the stitching on this one are again the same pink they were the day the day before I dyed them. The lace has turned into a navy color. I ruined this. This was a I don't. And last but not least, we have the pink scarf, which didn't pick up any dye at all. So, both wins and fails in this one. Thank you for watching.